Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing 3 weeks worth of money, sinky funds, whatever you want to call it. I am a little behind on videos, but that's only because I've been extremely busy working on these laminated envelopes that I took as pre-orders last week. We're almost done, we're almost there. So yeah, and then also a little disclaimer, we are having a restock at the end of the month, probably a few days before Easter or like Easter. I don't know. I think it all depends when everything arrives, but it's going to be a huge restock. So go follow me on Instagram, stay updated. And yes, also we have a little life-changing situation happening in our life right now, in which I haven't spoken about, but soon I will talk about it once it's written in stone. So yes, stay tuned for that. All right, let's get into cash stuffing.
Tell me how to be closer to you.
All right, so let's go ahead and count this money. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing fantastic. I have like the biggest cheesy smile right now. Like, you could probably hear it, but I'm so like excited. I'm happy. Everything, so many emotions running through my body, running through my soul. I'm just very happy. But yes, so we are going to be cash stuffing $936. So let's put this to the side and then count this real quick. So we have 1, 2, that's 200. Y'all, let's use my fancy calculator. Hold on. Hold up. Okay, so there's 200 there, right? So we have 200. And then here we have 100, 200 as well. So plus 200. And then 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84. That's 400, right? So plus 400. And then 20, 40, 60, 80. Plus 80. 10, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Y'all, I swear I can't keep secrets. Like, if somebody tells me a secret, I can keep a secret. But when it comes to my own secrets, I'm like, can I just tell people? But then, you know, it's like they say, you can't talk about something until it's done, because there's a lot of evil people, you know, that wish bad on people. So that's why I'm going to just wait and tell you guys once is like for sure. All right. So no way. We got to start with my wallet. Girl, get it together. Also, I have this cash envelope breakdown. So I like broke it down into all the categories what I'm going to be stuffing. So I'm going to put this to the side just as a cheat sheet for me, since we are doing 3 weeks worth. All right, so we're gonna start with my wallet. So this wallet will be restocked soon. So let's see. Let's start with my grocery. So grocery, I had budgeted $100 for this week, but we did take out some money yesterday, so we're only stuffing $60. So let's do 3 20s. 20, 40, 60. All right. And then household is getting 20. And then we need to grab toothpaste. All right. Next is transportation, and transportation is getting 12. So I don't really take the train as much. I live in New York. I don't like taking the trains. A lot of crazy stuff happening on the train. Unless I'm like with my husband, then we'll take the train. But we usually take cabs. And I think we need to start budgeting for cabs instead of transportation. Well, yeah, whatever. I don't know. We'll see. Spending is getting 25. We're going to do a 20 and a 5. 25. Let's see. Dunkin' is not getting anything because my very good friend, Brenda, who's one of my customers, she actually donated to me, well, she sent me a $50 gift card for Dunkin'. I was like, oh my God, why? Why me? So we have that $50. So that should be good for like the next 2 or 3 weeks. What else? And then that's it, right, for this. All right. The next thing we have is my sinking funds binder. You guys, as I always say, this super cute pom-pom is from Chris at Budgeting Just Because. Super cute. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. I have my table of content here, but we're not going to go based on this since we're doing 3 times the amount that I usually do. Investment, I did invest $4,000 into something. I should start seeing like money come in by April. So yeah, so that's that. Month ahead, we're going to do $96. So let me see, 96. So let's grab 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 90, 95, and then a single. Let's put this down. Okay, so month ahead now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50, 5, 56, 256. Damn! That adds up quick. So let's go ahead and update that now because then I'm going to forget. So today is the... Today is the 6th. So 3, 6, 24. And we are adding 96. Oh no, what did I do? Jesus. I'm always making a mistake. Good thing I have this tape corrector. See? Voila, like brand new. So we started with 160, right? So that's the information you write here, 160. And then we added 96. Let's see, so 160 plus 96, 256. Is that how much we counted? Let me just double check. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50. Yeah, 256. So now we have 256 in our month ahead. Voila. Alrighty, emergency is getting $60. So let's do 20, 40, 60. So it now has 100, 20, 40, 60. So we don't count this. 160, right? So today is the 6th. So 3, 6, 24. We started with 100. And then we added 60. So now we have 160. All right, savings. Savings is also getting $60. So 20, 40, 60. So we have 160. So 3, 6, 24. Started with 100. Added 60. So now we have 160. Okay, kiddos. Kiddos is getting, it was supposed to get 99, but then people were like, girl, just add that extra $1. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add that extra $1. So it's getting $100. We're going to take a $100 bill. So now kiddos has 100, 200, 20, 40, 65. 265. So 3, 6, 24. We started with 165. We adding 100. So now we have 265. You guys, hello, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. You see, like, small amounts add up. So never feel discouraged. Like, oh my God, I'm putting $5 here, $10 there, $2 here. You know, like, it adds up. If you're consistent and you like continue adding that same amount every week or bi-weekly or monthly, you will see the progress and you will see it going up. So yes. Okay, future home is getting 150 because we usually put 50 weekly. So 3 weeks is 150. Damn. Okay, 100, and then we're adding a 50. So we have 100, 200, ooh, 300, 350, 400. Oof, that's a lot. 3, 6, 24. We started with 250. We added 150. So now we have $400 million. Oh, damn. Okay, next is miscellaneous, in which I think I'm going to change this into P.O. Box. I don't know. I'm debating because I do need a P.O. Box thing. But I do pay it like annually, so maybe I should just add it to annually, remove this. We shall see. All right, so miscellaneous usually gets 8, but we're doing 3 times. So it's getting, what is it getting? I mean, it gets, wait, does it? Wait, why am I only adding $8? Bueno, I'm only adding 8. I guess I only budgeted for 8. It's okay. So let's go ahead and add, oops, $8. Yep. So miscellaneous now has 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wow. Already? 50. So today's the 6, 3, 6, 24. We started with 42. We added 8, and now it has $50. Okay, annual, which is my Costco. Let's see. Annual is getting $6. So we usually put 2 times 3 is 6. So let's do 6. A 5 and a single. So it now has 16. So 3, 6, 24. We started with 10. We added 6. So now it has $16. All right. Let's see. Birthday. Birthday usually gets 20. It's getting 60. So let's go ahead and grab 60. 20, 40, 60. So it now has 160. All right. So 3, 6, 24. Started with 100. We added a 60. So it now has 160. Okay. Pets. Milo has to get groomed. He looks like a mop. But yeah, he needs to get groomed. So I think we're going to take him on Saturday. We already have 100. They usually charge about 80, 85. And then, of course, you have to like, you know, tip them. So it's probably 100 flat. So fur baby is getting also 60, 20, 40, 60. So it has 160. So today is 3, 6, 24. We started with 100. We added 60. Now it has 160. Okay. You guys, so I'm getting, if you're new here and you don't follow me on Instagram, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl, but go follow me over there. I'm having these labels in rose gold. OMG, wait until you see them. And they look beautiful, so I'm waiting to get those in, and then I'm gonna remake my entire setup and add those foils. So maybe in the next, like, I mean around Easter, so during my restock, you guys will see that. All right, Christmas is getting $60. 20, 40, 60. So 3, 6, 24. We started with 100. We adding 60. Now it has 160. All right. We might have to break that. Adventure. Adventure is getting 75. So I'm trying to see. Okay, we need to make change here because we don't have change. Okay, Okay, let's go ahead and put this down and grab, let's see. Maybe in kiddos we can break it. No. I think in households, let's see. No, oh my goodness. Emergency, we need change. No, I think it was months ahead. Yeah. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 81. And then we'll grab these and put it back here. Okay, so we were doing adventure. So adventure is getting 75, right? So 50, 70, and then 5. Boom, you see that? Like a pro. So it now has 100, 150, 170, 195, 200. Oh, wow. So it has 200. So 3, 6, 24. We started with 125. We added a 75. So our ending balance is $200, which is great because my trip is coming up soon and I need to hurry up. Winter wardrobe is getting 60. So 20, 40, 60. So it now has 160. So 3, 6, 24. We started with 100. We're adding 60. Now our ending balance is 160. Okay. A rollover, we didn't have anything for a rollover. I spent everything from my wallet, so no rollover. Challenges, my Friday's challenge, y'all. Let's see. We need to do 23 because, again, I'm behind. So we need to do 23 and 1, which is $24. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 20. Boom. Let's go ahead and grab my Bic. Yo, why when I went to sit back on my chair, because I'm sitting on a chair, the chair, like I start rolling down with the chair. I'm like, wait. I cut that part off. But yeah, all right, let's do the Friday. So 23, so February is done, and then March 1st. Ay. The things that happen to me off camera is hilarious. Alrighty, let's color this in. Boom. So far we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 113. Oh, wait. What am I doing, girl? That goes in there. And that is that, y'all. Pretty soon we got to do a condensing video, but I think we could fit more in there. Boom. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you guys leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up, show me some love, y'all. Just like you guys show me love on Instagram, like all my OGs. Give this video some love, and I will see you guys on my next one. Adios. Love you guys.
You and I